Welcome to 3372 Corsica Way in the Oceanside 55 and over community of Villa Trieste. Let's go inside and do a walkthrough tour of this lovely home. Upon entry, you're welcomed by a large, nicely appointed great room with a travertine-faced fireplace as your focal point. The engineered wood floors add elegance to the space, and the French doors and windows let in an abundance of natural light. The kitchen has everything one could want, with quartz countertops, a farmer sink, garden views with lots of natural light, a breakfast nook, a French door to the patio, there's also gas cooking, newer cabinets with pullouts, and stainless steel appliances. Back into the great room, there's plenty of space for a large dining room table, plus there's two more newer French doors leading out to the patio. This is a very versatile space, and it can accommodate just about any size furniture, and the high cathedral ceilings make it feel even more spacious. In the hallway is more storage and countertop space. The full guest bathroom has a granite countertop, a newer cabinet, travertine floors, half wall, and a tub surround. Back out into the hallway, and we enter the guest bedroom with a whole house ventilation fan, a ceiling fan, plantation shutters, a garden view, and mirrored closet doors. We then enter the spacious main bedroom with more natural light, plantation shutters, and cathedral ceilings. Into the main bedroom with matching finishes to the guest bath, granite countertop, newer cabinet, travertine floor, half wall, and shower surround. The walk-in closet is also conveniently placed here as well. We'll head out of the private portion of the home towards the laundry and garage. Aside from the bathrooms, the entire downstairs has continuity with the same engineered hardwood floors throughout. The laundry has a sink and some extra storage. The garage has epoxy floors, overhead storage rack, and lots of storage space. Now we travel back towards the stairs to access the versatile loft area. The stairs are finished with the same engineered hardwood as the rest of the downstairs. And And the loft is finished with lush carpeting to eliminate footstep sounds for those who might be downstairs. And as you can see, there is lots of space to fit all of your needs up in this loft area. Then we look down into the great room once again with the lovely fireplace, warm hardwood floors, and plentiful natural light. As lovely as this home looks on video, it's even more impressive in person. Call or text me to schedule a private showing today at 760-798-9024.